Every man feels it, that pull, that whisper, that temptation to open the browser, scroll that feed, or chase a quick escape. You tell yourself it'll be just this one last time, but deep down, you know where this leads. You are not broken, you are not weak, but you are in a war. And the only way to win is to have a battle plan, my brother. Today, I'm giving you the exact strategies to help you avoid and defeat daily temptations, overcome urges, and win the fight for your mind, your body, your soul by conquering this pornography addiction. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder of The Rebuilt Man. And in today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the 5 parts of defeating daily temptation and winning this battle against pornography for good. And if you're somebody that's been looking for a proven solution, I want you to stick around till the end of today's episode, because I'm going to share with you a free gift and invitation to join our exclusive community of men that are all aiming towards winning this battle against pornography. But step 1, my brother, is we have to understand the nature of our temptations. Here's the truth, man, and this is what we have to begin to understand, is temptation is not random, but it is a predictable dopamine loop that we can begin to identify and understand the nature of these things. You got to know, man, your brain is wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain. Porn hijacks this system. Avoiding temptation doesn't mean never feeling it. It means that you recognize the cues and you choose a better response. Willpower will fail, though, if it is your only line of defense. Here's what you have to understand, and this is directly from the book Atomic Habits, is you do not rise to the level of your goals, but you will fall to the level of your system. So if you do not have a system in place to avoid these temptations, you will fail. Step 2 is we have to identify our triggers and our temptation patterns. Ask yourself these questions. When do I feel the urges the most? What was I thinking? What was I feeling? What was I doing right before the trigger came up? Common things to look for and to identify are triggers of boredom, stress, loneliness, late night scrolling, certain types of apps, certain environments where you do these certain types of behaviors. Once you've done this initial groundwork, is create a trigger map. Awareness becomes your superpower. The more you know about your triggers, the more you know about your temptation patterns, the better you're going to be able to navigate this. And throughout this trigger map, define your danger or trigger hours or zones. After 10 p.m., scrolling in bed, phone in hand, avoiding difficult situations. Every man should know his top 3 triggers, just like he knows his gym PRs. Once you've done that initial groundwork and you've identified your trigger and temptation patterns, step 3 is to build a temptation and trigger-proof environment. You will not win battles in the heat of the moment. You win them by prepping in the battlefield. You can build some digital barriers and put some boundaries in place for yourself. This is where something like some app and system blockers can work. Certain type of DNS filters. We partnered with Covenant Eyes. I'll actually link down there below a free month to Covenant Eyes. If you guys haven't checked it out, get it. It's one of the best apps out there on the planet. Put some other boundaries in. Put some other environmental controls in place for you. I don't take my phone into my bedroom. I don't take my phone into the bathroom. I only use my laptop for work purposes. Deleting certain access points is going to help you in this battle. Replace the scrolling. Replace the screen with books. Use habit stacking to replace the urge and identify and build healthier habits and better behaviors. One question to ask yourself right now while you're listening is, what is one thing you can remove today that will make acting out harder tomorrow? Take action on this right now. One thing that you can remove out of your environment, out of your day-to-day today that will make acting out harder tomorrow. So we've identified our triggers. We've put some barriers and built a temptation-proof environment. Now we have to build the inner man. Spiritual, mental, physical discipline will become your armor. What are your daily non-negotiables? Prayer, journaling, cold showers, training, breath work, daily outdoor walks, reading. Build yourself. We talk about becoming the rebuilt man. We talk about becoming the man that is no longer addicted and needs porn. This is that part of that process. Put in the mental reps. Urges are a cue to train yourself, not a cue to cave in to yourself. You have to go through this identity shift, though. You are no longer a slave to your urges, but you are a man that has conquered those through discipline. The man who is strong in body, clear in mind, and rooted in purpose is a hard man to tempt. The man that is strong in body, clear in mind, and rooted in purpose is going to be much harder to tempt. Those are the first 4 steps. The 5th one here is going to be one of the most important, though, is do not try to fight these urges alone. Do not try to win this battle against your temptations in isolation. Temptation thrives in isolation. The power of brotherhood and accountability is where freedom will be found. And you don't need 10 of them. You need one man who knows the real you. You need a handful of individuals, a handful of allies in this fight with you. This is where joining something like the Rebuilt Man community can help you in this walk. And like I told you, if you've been on the fence and you know that you're ready to take action, go to school.com, SKOOL.com/reboot your life for 1 free week trial inside of our exclusive brotherhood and community. We're going to give you the steps. We're going to give you the blueprint. We're going to give you the support needed. Real strength, though, is in you being known. Real leadership is when you begin to hold yourself to a higher standard. Temptation doesn't make you weak, though. It proves that you're in a fight that is worth winning. Stop relying on your willpower. Build a better system. Get clear on your triggers. Lock down your environment. Train your mind and your body daily. And most importantly, do not walk this out alone. If you're ready to go deeper and build a porn-free life with purpose and power, join us inside our exclusive community at school.com, SKOOL.com/reboot your life. This fight is winnable, though, and you do not need to do it alone. We believe in you, brother. We want to support you in this walk. We want to encourage you, and we want to surround you with a community of men that want to see you win. School.com, SKOOL.com/reboot your life. Click the link down there, and we'll see you guys on the inside.